we just hit the dirt road here at Ant Flat. So we're gonna hop out and we're going to air down the vehicles and get back on the trail. Here we go. Brass dealios here. And we need to make sure they're calibrated because one of them was off. And we are going to, on the first one, we'll screw that on and then we'll check all 4 of them to make sure that they're all calibrated to about 20 psi. Because last time I used them, one of them had gotten off to about 12 psi, so we were really low. So let's let this run for a minute and then we'll check with the tire gauge to make sure that it's actually at 20. And once it hits its calibrated pressure, then it'll stop releasing air, just like that. So we are getting very close. Let's check where we're actually at. Should be around 20. We are at 19. I'll buy that. So then we're gonna take this locking nut here and just butt it right up against that outer collar as tightly as we can so that this can't unscrew anymore. And that one is calibrated. So we'll set that,
I'll hang on to it,
aside for now. Give that to JJ. Thank you, sir. So now the rest of it is easy. We're just gonna tighten down this outer collar. When you tighten it down, it is a higher pressure setting. And then we're just going to loosen that outer collar until we start to hear the air leak, and then tighten it back up just a little bit. So there I hear the air leak, so I'm just gonna tighten it back and then set our lock collar. And that one's calibrated too. Can't forget to put on our valve cap covers to keep those valves nice and clean. Take our supplies, and we'll go do the rest of the 4 tires. Let's go. We are on the move.